You're such a child. The look of joy on your face then was amazing.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. Mr. Magoo, that's a lot of stacking toys to put in there. Morning, Frida. Morning. Alright, you time for some food? We just gotta move these. Look, you can watch them. And I'll replace it with some yummy. What have we got today? Let's have a look. We have golden sweet corn and chicken. And Frida, you can't have any. I'm sorry. Time for num nums? Let's go. All done. Yay! Someone ate half a jar today, which is like so much progress. You did. You ate a lot. Yes. Yes, you did. And you had it all over your face too, didn't you? Mummy's cleaned you up a little bit, but someone got their hand in it. And then decided to splash it everywhere. So, let's clean you up. Hey? Does that sound good? Yes! Good morning, vlog. We are on a little adventure now, me and Arch. We're going to go meet Aaron for lunch, but I've left early because he's getting sleepy. I didn't want him to fall asleep in there and then have to leave in like 15 minutes, so we're going a bit early. I think we're going to do a grocery shop, not too exciting, but there's a couple of other bits that I want to get, so we'll see if we get them today or another day. I was going to take my nana out today, but we had like a little rain mini storm this morning, so I decided against it because it's just, she's got a walker and it's a bit too slippery with the rain, so we've postponed that till Wednesday. So, but little Mr. Moo, oh, we're fogging up here. Oh, there we go. That's a bit, I've got my wipers on. Stop. It was very hot in my car because we had like a hot rain. It's a hot rain today. Mr. Moo's ready. He's looking quite sleepy, aren't you? Yes. We've had such a good morning, mate. Keep it up, okay? You'll just give Connie a little snuggle and then have a little snooze. Oh, darling, you're okay. You're alright. So I thought while Mr. Moo's having a little snooze on and off, I go past Terrigal where we were there on the weekend, and it was very flat. Usually the surf is very flat, but it is so rough today. The tide's right up and it looks angry. I'm right at the top of Terrigal, so I can't really see well, but I'll show you what I can see. So this is the little look out at the top, and you can't see it, but the waves are right up on the beach. They're usually not rough at all here at Terrigal. But yeah, it's very, very rough today. I think it's because it's windy and a bit rainy too. So I've come to yet another beach. This time this is Avoca Beach, and this is where we used to live before, 3 houses ago. Wow, yep, 3 houses ago. And it's a beautiful, beautiful spot, and I just was interested to see, it's the beach next to Terrigal, well, kind of. There's North Avoca and then there's Avoca, I think. And I wanted to see if it was as rough as Terrigal was, and it does look very rough, but Avoca is definitely got more surf than than Terrigal does usually. But yeah, so now I'm gonna go meet Aaron for lunchies.
Peter Robin!
He's very happy.
Hello, Bobby boy.
You're happy as Larry.
How are you? Hello. Hello, gorgeous boy.
So we just got home from the shops. Yes. Did you have a good time at the shops with Daddy? Yeah. Good boy. Put the dummy back in. We've got a bit of a thunder and lightning storm happening outside. It's very breezy, isn't it? And we just tried something new. We did. We tried something new. We tried these little spoon thingies that you put onto the top of baby food packets. So Aaron's brother bought us those with the mesh thing from yesterday, ages ago. And so we just tried a new one called Bangers, Mash and Veggies, and he rather enjoyed it. Did you like Bangers and Mash? Yeah? We also grabbed a couple of new flavours to try. So this one sounds rather fancy. Wild rice risotto and spring lamb. We got custard with strawberry and banana, and pumpkin, potato and beef. And then we got the tried and tested golden sweet corn and chicken, and the banana porridge one that he likes. And I also grabbed this too. It's like a little sippy cup. So why aren't you focusing, Mr. Camera? We'll give that a go, see if he likes it with a little bit of water, because he does enjoy a little drink. Wow, look at the rain. I don't know if the camera's picking up, but the rain is falling in sheets across the backyard. Wow. I think we're going to have a little thunderstorm, Mr. Moo. Yeah, I don't think you've had a thunderstorm yet. Have you? Maybe? I don't know. We may or may not go to Ikea tonight. As you do. If this weather's like this at night, I won't be going on the freeway because it's about an hour and a half. What? What? It's about an hour and a half to Ikea. That rain is so loud. It's about an hour and a half to Ikea, and we'll have to take two separate vehicles because Aaron took the van to work, and of course we can't put Mr. Moo in the van, can we? Because it's two-seater. Well, there's a back seat for it that can go in, but it's not baby seat friendly. And the thing that we want is big, and we can't fit it in the car with you, so we'd take two cars down. Yes. So we'll have to wait and see if we go tonight or if we go Wednesday, I think. And yeah, guess what we're buying for you? Oh yeah, I haven't really said what we're buying, but wow, look at the rain. Oh, it doesn't look like much, but it keeps falling in like sheets. Anywho, we want to buy a big cube shelf that we can put in the lounge room for Mr. Moo to have like a playroom area. Yeah. And so that we can like tuck his toys away, because at the moment they just stay in a pile on the floor. And I want somewhere childproof to put them. Yes. And we will attach this bookcase to the wall as well, even though we're renting. I'm going to do it anyway. And we also want to get an outdoor table, and IKEA have this really cool one that has like the leaves, I don't know what you call them, but the extra bits that flap up so it makes it longer if you want to. And it's only, I think, $200 and something, which is pretty cheap. Yes, yes it is. So high five, high five, high five, high five. Who's that? Is that you? Is that Archie? So we want to get that as well. And you know what I'm like, I'll probably come home with another Rascog. I don't need another Rascog. Or do I? I think that Bangers and Mash has given you lots of energy. No, you can't vlog yourself yet. Look at this silly sausage. He has the entire lounge room. Oh, he's following his blue ball. He has the whole lounge room, and he's trying to slide down between the couch. As you can see, we still have some things left to baby proof, which is why I'm hoping we can go to IKEA and put like that stuff and that stuff in this cube shelf we're gonna buy. And now he's found some shoes. Is it? Archie! Archie, what are you doing? What do you think you're up to? Oh, there goes the ball again. Hours of entertainment here, guys. Hours. Benny boys! Oh, jeez! Oh, jeez. Aren't you glad we have carpet now? My goodness, Mummy's glad we have carpet. Come here! Come here, you big goofball. Come on. You can do it. Hi! He's got this really like goofy smile today where he like throws his head back. Do you goofy smile? Oh, so I'm just going to, wow, edit a video while he's in a good mood and watch some Graveyard Girl because I love her videos. And apparently someone else is going to watch them too. Look at this. What are you doing? How did you even get in there like that? How did that happen? Can I have this? Alright, let's try this again. He loves to wrap himself in his playmat. And it's quite comical. Hi. Uh-oh. You coming to get Mummy? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Mr. Turtle? Archie. It's like a butterfly emerging from its cocoon. Oh boy, I'm in trouble when he starts crawling faster than this. Big trouble. What are you doing? Hi. Hey mate. What's happening? So Beans has just fallen asleep. He was, we've had such a good day. We've had a brilliant day. I really do think that if he gets a really decent morning nap, like an hour and a half before 11 o'clock, then he's a different baby. He's a beautiful, happy baby all day. If he doesn't have that morning nap, he just gets cranky, like just very easily frustrated and just grouchy, I guess. But he was starting to slow down, starting to do some face plants, and was happy as Larry still. So I picked him up and he started rubbing his eyes, and I thought, I'm gonna try the attempt to put him in the cot, because he knows the cot now and he knows what it means, and he doesn't always like it. But I put him down and I gave him a tiny bit. There was a little bit of his bottle left from before, and he was out. He's gone. He's asleep. So I'm gonna get to some video editing while I can, because it's just a lot easier when he's asleep to do voiceovers and stuff like that. So I might be able to do one voiceover, and I'm halfway through editing a vlog. We've had like heavy bouts of rain on and off all afternoon, so I don't know what the plan is for this afternoon yet. We'll see. I've got an hour to make up my mind. Alrighty, we have decided to go to Ikea tonight. So Mr. Moo's all ready. You're a bit cranky. Are you a little bit cranky? A little bit cranky. Because he'd been asleep for an hour and a half and I waited as long as I could because Ikea's open till 9, but it'll take at least an hour and a half, if not 2 hours to get there, so I couldn't really wait any longer. But yeah, so we're gonna go to Ikea. The plan is to get a 4x4 white cube thing, boxes to go in it. There's a couple of child safety, like PowerPoint socket covers and stuff that I want to get, and the outdoor table, and any little other things we can find. No, we're on a budget. We've got a budget. Got to stick to the budget. I've been saving up for the white cube and the outdoor setting for a little while. We're just going to get the table from Ikea because their chairs don't look comfy, and I found some comfy chairs elsewhere, so I'm going to get the table first and we can work the chairs later. Are you ready to go see Daddy? We're unsure of our emotions right now. Let's go, Sleepy Moo.
Hello, darling boy.
We got Daddy again. This is deja vu.
Boy.
It's deja vu. So.
It's deja vu.
Deja vu. Oh. That's a dad joke and all in one. Oh, you're so dark. It's because you're backlit. So, road trip time.
Road trip time.
But separate car road trip time.
Yeah, that'll be interesting.
Yeah, you gotta go with Mummy. You gotta go with Mum though, because Mummy can't drive a manual, so she can't drive the van. So, and your car seat can't go in the van. Yeah.
Oh, darling boy.
Someone has woken up. Yes. Had a nice sleep on the freeway, and we've managed to find 2 parks next to each other, so let the Ikea adventures begin. All strapped in. Hello?
Yes, Daddy.
It's Daddy, let's go! And our friends live at Rhodes where Ikea is, so I think they might come out and meet with us, hopefully. That'd be good because they've only met Archie once, I think, at Karen's wedding. I think, so that'll be good fun. So noisy! I have a debacle. So the ones I was going to get are these ones. But I think they'll get dirty really easily.
I'd say they will. Because they're like this
They're like suede stuff.
suede schwang.
And then, I don't want drawers or cupboards.
Because they'll hang off drawers when it gets older.
These are cool. But they're $15 each. And I need 16 of them.
It's probably a little bit too much.
And then if we get anything cane.
Bunnies will eat through that in a heartbeat.
So there's this one. It's the
Sorry.
right colour. Big long handle. But it's just kind of ugly.
Or there's that grey, which kind of matches our carpet. And is that the suede stuff?
It's the suede stuff.
Oh, okay.
Who knows? Who knows? All of the chairs. So many chairs. Ooh, look at those lights. I really, really like them. They're gorgeous. Aaron likes this one. Is that coppery inside?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, that is cool. Let's keep wandering. Seeing all the Christmas ones makes me feel
Christmassy.
makes me feel festive.
I wonder when they start their Christmas
It's now.
things. No, but I mean...
Oh, look at the little fox.
Oh,
That's cute. And so's the little kitchen. I can't wait to buy Archie a kitchen one day. Looks like you could cook a mean meal in this little setup.
Yeah.
Looks like a budding chef enthusiast.
Kitchens are usually a little bit bigger than the actual like area.
Living area.
Have them in.
And then I like how this has got a little outdoor nook.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good idea. Did you see that, Bub? It's like a sectional lounge. So they're all,
right.
I think they're all separate pieces.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Look, it's an outdoor Rascog. Any excuse I can find to buy Rascog, and I may have to do it. All the Rascogs. All the Rascogs. They are awesome.
Really cute.
Do you think we can come up with a reason to need one? Maybe. Can you think of a reason that we need one of them, Archie? Did you find a nice stool?
Feel that.
Heavy? We really like to get some stools for the bench, but we're worried that someone might pull them down. So this is our bed, and we've always said that we'd come back and buy the bed head. So we'll see how much it is. Oh, it's $500.
What? No, that's got to be the actual bed.
No. Oh no. Bed frame. That's the bed frame. Hey, bed frame with storage and headboard. The headboard is $150. I reckon we could do that. Because you can't get to the drawers if you put a bedside table here, which is what we're finding. What do you reckon? What do you reckon? Looking at all the you're being such a good boy, Arch. Just very curious with all the things.
Look at all the tubes.
Yeah, what were you saying?
And plus, at the moment, we're having a real issue with our bed not going all the way to the wall.
Yeah.
So things keep like
dummies.
And phone cords and headphones.
Phones, my iPad. My iPad has dropped down the back of the bed. And so you can't use we have bedside tables here, and you can't use this drawer unless you move them, which is annoying. So I think we might...
Yeah, it actually has a space for like
power
points, and the tables would be just perfect there as well.
Have you got my head? Have you got my head? Yeah.
High five!
High five. Can you do high five?
Oh, got him! Got him!
Alright, I might grab us one of these. Oh, where's the king? I've only got double and queen size. This is a very frozen bed setup. So many stuffed toys. Look at the giant shark. Look at his little derp face. Derp, derp, derp. Wow. They are pretty big. There's a whole lot of more things. What did you find?
I don't know what that is.
A dog.
It's just a really...
It's a dog.
Yeah, but you don't see many dogs that are like that. They're always like sitting. You know what I mean?
Just like this is a dog. It's a very floppy dog. Very floppy dog. Beans has got enough stuffed toys. You got too many stuffed toys, Beans. I love this quilt set, but I love that bed. Aaron really likes this bed set.
I think me and Arch would like this bedspread a bit more than that one, but...
That reminds me of like 90s cartoons.
I was going to say, it reminds me of like Cartoon Network cartoons.
Like Fairly Odd Parents.
Yeah, exactly.
And
yeah, and like Ben 10 and
yeah,
all those
that
guys.
kind of era. What's next? Rugs. Always. You think you've left IKEA and then you turn a corner and there's more. Mr. Moo, we got you a toy. So Aaron and I used to love these when we were kids. They're the like the bead maze things. So I got him one of those, and then we used to have these too where you bang the thingies in. So I've got these just while we're down here because we don't come very often. And you've got all sorts of, oh that's cute. You put the shapes through the holes. I've got a crane. All sorts of bits and pieces. Look at the abacus! That is the prettiest abacus I have ever seen. Where are you? Where'd you go? There you are. This abacus is going to have to come home with us. We have to. You can get miniature IKEA doll's house furniture. Look, it's a mini calyx. That's the cutest.
We were thinking of getting a rug, and Adele really wanted to feel it first. You're such a child. The look of joy on your face then was amazing. Wasn't it, Beans?
Being such a good boy.
Yes.
Good boy, 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 good boy. Daddy's a funny fellow, isn't he? Oh, I'm going sideways. So we're finished with IKEA. It was a big shop, but we had a kerfuffle with one of the things.
Exactly, Beans.
See about it when we get home.
Ash knows what's going on.
We're gonna get in the cars and we're gonna get home. So I've just come in to find that we have someone who's wanting their dinner served. Oh yeah, I saw you. I saw you, Missy Moo. I saw you up there waiting to be served like a royal family. Hello, Poppins. Are you trying to say that you were good? That was very naughty, Pops. That chair was untucked because I had the washing basket on it today. She probably likes it up there because this one can't attack her. Alright, Buns, we've got to head off to bed. Okay? And say night-night. Yes, I'm still patting you. If you don't pat them, they come over and they give you headbutts. Yes. Thank you for that headbutt in the butt. Thank you. I don't need any more, please. I know you're there, Poppet. I know you're there. We're home.
Yay!
So someone slept the... Oh, excuse you.
That's my arm there, Mr. Man.
Someone slept the whole way home and now they've woken up. It's very late.
Interesting.
You should be tired,
Damn,
Beans.
child.
You should be tired, but he is instead full of stinky beans.
Oh, man.
Jeez Louise. Alright,
Change
we
your
might leave it
stinky
here,
pants.
peeps. We're not unpacking the van because it's late.
No.
So we will have to show you a bit of a haul.
Tomorrow.
Oh, maybe not tomorrow because we're going out tomorrow night.
Yes.
For Uncle Tim's birthday. And yeah. So we'll probably show you what we bought on Wednesday. Yeah. Wish us luck trying to get this pork chop to bed. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.